Let's see the maximum profit. Now this maximum profit to MAXX. Now the table we're interested in is the sales table. Then we'll type a bracket, a comma. Then this is the expression. Now the expression we're interested in now, we are going to do the sales amount. The sales amount minus the sales product standard cost. Now, we are telling DAX, evaluate this. When you finish calculating sales amount minus the sales product standard cost, then gives us the maximum value. Hit enter. So when you hit enter, there's the maximum profit. We can drag and drop that here, and we change this to that. Now you can see the maximum profit. So what we just did is this. We went to the sales table. This is the sales table. This is the sales table. Now we went to the sales table. We told that we subtract the product standard cost. This is the product standard cost from the sales amount. That is this minus this. So this minus this, second product standard cost from the sales amount, then give us the maximum value. So that is what we've just done. So that gives us this is the maximum value. That's the maximum value. So let's see, let's look at another example. We can do it. So we have a lot of function. We have the minimum, the maximum, the min x, all are similar to the max function. The minimum, the min x, all these are similar to the max function. The max a, all are similar to the maximum function. Now let's look at the sum function. Let's look at the sum function. We'll round up the sum function and the Distinctcount function. Okay, let's see that. Let's see the sum function and the Distinctcount function. Okay, let's assume I'm interested to know the total sales amount. I'm interested to know the total sales amount in the sales table. I'm going to use the SUMX function. I'm going to click on the sales table because I want it to appear in the sales table. So I click on the sales table and I click on new value. Now I'm interested to know the sales amount. So sales amount in bracket the SUMX. So I use the SUMX function. Now the SUMX function is similar to the sum function, but the only difference is that the SUMX function requests for the table. Now I'm interested in a table known as sales. This is a table known as sales. Now I'm telling that I want to sum this. So what am I interested in? Let's say sales amount. That's an expression. This could be an expression. So I tell you that sales amount. So that is going to give you the sales amount because the sales amount is located in the sales table. This is the sales table and this is the sales amount. So I need the sales, the sum of it. That gives me the sales amount. So that's the sales amount. I can also use this particular function. This one. I say because it's an expression, and I say, okay, in the sales table, I'm interested to know, give me the total sales. I'm telling that I need the total sales for order quantity. For order quantity greater than or equals to 3. I'm only interested for sales orders. Sales orders that are made that is from 3 and above. I want to get the sales, or I want to get the total sales amount for those particular quantity that were bought by a customer. For 3 quantities, those that bought 3 quantity, 4 quantity, 5 quantity, 6 quantity. I want to know the total sales amount. So I could do that when I hit enter. When I hit enter, you can see that is going to immediately calculate that. So sales amount, let's see where, let's try the cost. Okay. The SUMX, yeah, the SUMX, the function doesn't work with the conditions. Calling function. So let's leave it with that. Doesn't work with the Boolean function. So let's hit enter. So that gives me the sum for that particular product. So let's quickly look at Distinctcount. Now, you can see in this particular table, table, I have 510 here. I have 511, I have 511, I have 203, I have 203. Now I'm interested to count I want to know the number of reseller key. I don't want a repetitive value. I just want a distinct value. I want to know how many is how many reseller key is in this particular column. Now this table, as you can see, this table is this is the sales order table. Okay. Okay, fine. So that's the sales table. That's the sales table. So I want to know the distinct count. Let me click on that. We're going to wrap it up there. Distinct count. Okay. Now I use the distinct count. Now you can see the distinct count has only one argument, which is a column name. So the name of the column we're interested in is sales reseller key. So I just want to know the distinct reseller key, the number of reseller key in that particular column. Then you can see that I drag and drop here, and I change it to this. Now you can see 636. So those are the distinct count. But when you look at this particular table, when you look at the particular sales table, is the sales table. Now I look at the we have 121,253 rules. That's to tell you that you can see the duplication of keys here. We have 511, 511, but the real value, the real numbers of the batch is just 636. 636. So we're going to stop here today. We'll kick off tomorrow with the question answer section. So if you have any question, we'll start with that tomorrow. Thank you. Till we meet tomorrow.